Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to yet another review. If this is your first time tuning in, this is the Cheetos fries Carolina style barbecue. Mm, these are a dandy of a chip. Now, big thanks and shout out to Marcel Hall for checking this video out, for doing the review. And I am not sponsored to do this video. I'm not paid to do these videos, but I just want to give you guys my honest opinion and see if this is the better chip to buy. So, if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's try this chip out. Ooh-ee. I'm gonna give these the 10 out of 10. Paching! This gets my seal of approval. So this is Fulano approved. Ding! Very nice. So I recommend it to you guys. Again, thank you to Marcel Hall for this awesome for these awesome chips. Again, one more time for you, one more time for me. So, highly recommend it to you guys. If you guys want to see more chip videos like this, let me know in the comments. Until next time, peace.